The Morakniv Garberg Black Blade with Survival Kit is designed to withstand the toughest challenges imaginable. A powerful full-tang knife optimized for your adventure. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of high-quality carbon steel and has a DLC coating that to some extent protects against rust. Both the spine and rear end are ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the integrated firestarter that is attached to the survival kit. Remember to take care of your knife. Sharpen the blade on the integrated diamond sharpener when in need. Morakniv Garberg Black Blade with Survival Kit is the ultimate tool for your adventure.